Go!
To our honorable guest speaker, Bishop Nael Lazaro, to our administrator, General Bernardo, to our beloved principal, Ms. Leon Estilas, teachers, parents, and all my fellow graduates, good afternoon to all of you. These days have passed by much too quickly. I would like to thank everyone for making my life better. First and foremost, I would like to extend my sincerest gratitude to Almighty God who makes things possible. All the glories offered back to me. To our parents for their love and support all throughout the year. To the faculty and staff of this Christian Academy, patiently impart knowledge and develop our teaching skills. You have done more than words can express. Thank you very much. To my classmates and friends, thank you for the good time that you spent all throughout this year.
Wala na siya. Oh, saan ka na? Asan ka na? Kasunod. Hanapin mo. Kasi kamot ka ng kamot eh. Kaya nawawala ka eh. Sabi ko pumunta siya sa dentist, paggawa niya ipin niya ayaw.
All throughout this year, we had so much fun. I would like also to express my thanks to each of you here this memorable event.
Honorable Day. Isang bond paper. Itupi mo kaya?
And last but
Not the least.
with my mommy and daddy, thank you for everlasting love and encouragement. Also, all you desire from me this should not be meaningful without you. For me, graduation is not the end,
The end.
but beginning for a new step of learning
Task.
inner self. You are over and the show is about to begin. I am glad I am even tried before
Hindi pa kami sa atin.
thank you very much. Thank you very much and congratulations. All of us. God bless us all.
Yay!